Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Roblox account without using its password. So it's pretty simple. First you want to go to this website called roblox.com. So search for roblox.com. Once you search for roblox.com, it's going to bring you to this page, which is going to be the login page. So click on login at the top right corner of your screen. Now from over here, we do not want to use password. So what we want to do is click on where it says email me a one-time code. Once we click on it, I need to enter my email. Now you need to enter your email which is linked with your Roblox account. So enter the email over here which is linked with your Roblox account and click on send code. And a verification code is going to be sent to your email, and you need to see the verification code and type the verification code. Once you've typed the verification code, you should be able to log in into your Roblox account without using password. But let's say you don't want to do that. As you guys can see, it's asking me for the 6-digit code. I need to enter that and I should be able to log in. The other thing you can do is click on use another device. Once you click on use another device, it's going to give you this QR code. Now you need to have your Roblox account on your mobile logged in. Now you need to open your Roblox app on your phone and scan this code using the Roblox app, and you will be automatically logged in into your account. You can do that, or you can also try this option too, which says open your Roblox app, go to more page, quick login to enter the code. So you just need to open your Roblox app and go into quick login sector and enter this code, or either scan it and you should be able to log in into your Roblox account without password. So these are the methods you guys can use in order to log in into Roblox without password. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.